U.S. Air Force Academy cadet's cause of death revealed in autopsy. KXRM Colorado Springs, U.S. Please wait a moment. Air Force Academy, USAFA, 19-year-old cadet who died in early September. 4th Class Cadet Avery Kuntz was found unconscious in her dormitory on Wednesday, Sept. According to USAFA, first responders. Below are your comments. My granddaughter is attending the U.S. Military Academy at West Point. As Cadet Kuntz, she also is Claw. SS of 2028. I mention my granddaughter because the military is one big family. We rejoice together in Bantoge. There in time of sorrow. Godspeed Cadet Kuntz. Rest in eternal peace. We thank you for your very honorable service. That's terribly sad. Although speaking as a retired AF nurse, I do have to wonder why the cadet hadn't reported to sick call. I can't imagine she got that sick that fast that she didn't have enough lead time to get help. After all, top-notch medical care is readily available to the cadets 24/7. So long story short, she had the flu, wanted to continue training with her class to achieve her dream of serving this country. Fly high, brave woman, and thank you for your service. A young person doing what she wanted to do. May you watch over others who have the same dream you wanted. May you rest in peace and fly with God. Retired SMSGT USAF. Without knowing what medical treatment was received, it is unreasonable to criticize the medical care received in this unfortunate event. If an individual appears toxic and has unstable vital signs, they should be hospitalized. However, my sincere condolences to the friends and family of 4th Class Cadet Avery Kuntz. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.